Hair strength and protection, a widespread need between your clients. They seek solutions for damaged hair, and the Bond's trend technology is unbreakable. Hi everyone, my name is Edward, and in this video, we will discover Yellow Professional Energy Boost Repair. Yellow Professional Repair has been formulated with advanced technology and vegan formulations that penetrate, seal, and protect the hair. Repair is powered by Bond Complex, a complex of 3 amino acids, hydrolyzed rice protein and almond protein, that repairs and restores damaged hair. It helps to hydrate the hair and create a film around the cuticle, giving it strength. Cocoa butter, rich in fatty acids, capable of increasing the hydration of the hair, also giving nutrition and sealing the cuticles. And aloetrix, a complex aloe vera, wheat protein, and UV filters that improves hydration, combability, and protects the outer hair fiber. Let's discover now the Repair product range. Starting with Reparative Shampoo, a gentle shampoo for stronger hair and vital appearance. Reparative Conditioner, ideal for damaged hair. It detangles and improves strength and combability. Reparative Mask, a rich mask designed to give intense strength to extremely damaged hair. It penetrates the layers of the hair and provides extreme repair. Molecular Serum, a reparative leave-in serum that seals the cuticle for stronger and healthier looking hair with instant results. It repairs and protects the hair, making it more resistant. It reduces breakage and protects the hair from heat damage up to 230 degrees. Molecular Serum is the last step of repair in salon routine and perfect at home to maintain the benefits of the treatments received in the salon. Do you need to deep reconstruct the hair? Do you want to color, bleach, or straighten the hair safely? Due to its ability to adapt in both alkaline and acid environments, Yellow Professional Bond Hero becomes the perfect ally to protect hair during technical treatments. Do you want to bleach safely, even the most stressed hair? Well, add Bond Hero into the bleach mixture. Mix Yellow Professional bleach with Yellow Professional peroxide. Then add Bond Hero in a 1:6 ratio with the bleaching powder. Don't consider peroxide in the ratio. We recommend mixing the bleaching powder and the peroxide first. Only then add Bond Hero and mix it. When refreshing lengths, add Bond Hero to the Yellow Professional color for greater hair strength and to reduce the risk of breakage, even on the most stressed hair. Bond Hero incorporated in Yellow Professional Repair products as reparative mask or reparative conditioner offers deep reconstruction services in the salon. You can add Bond Hero to other Yellow Professional care products to meet more than one need at the same time and customize the services. Congratulations to making it to the end of this video. Don't forget to follow us in our different social medias, and we'll see you soon.